If you're experiencing a server timeout error in The Sims 4, specifically error code 2025, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back to playing your game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the timeout. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Open the EA app or Origin, navigate to your game library, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Clear cache. Clearing the cache for The Sims 4 can help resolve many issues. Navigate to the Documents folder, find the Electronic Arts folder, and delete the Sims 4 cache files. Restart the game afterward. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Happy gaming!